Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tia. I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. Today I have a wig from a wig company that I have not tried before, and it's from the company The Wig. It says 100% human hair natural blend lace front. That just means it's like synthetic hair that's supposed to look like natural hair. And this is the stock card. This is Miss Gigi, and it says that it has invisible deep lace parting. It's available in a few colors, heat safe up to 400 degrees, and I have her in the color 4B612. So it's a number 4 root with a blonde base. It says that it's tangle-free, hypoallergenic, and also it has like a creatine Remy situation. Kind of reminds me of the Janet collections, the ones that were like protein infused. And I scooped her up from Elevate Styles for just $14.92. So let's get her. This is her. I really like how she feels. I actually just dropped her, so she's not usually this. But you can see there's that pretty number 4 rooting there. She's definitely coming off a little bit yellow, like if you see next to my shirt, and there is sort of these like, it's a nice sombre. There's some white pieces, some oranger pieces. I'm gonna see what she looks like going on. I may, if I really like her, tone her. She reminds me sort of a mix between Janet Collections Felicia and Janet Collections Taylor that I just reviewed. It's a yucky texture, but you can feel that sort of keratin, protein infused situation. She was a lace front, nice lace parting, 2 combs in the front, comb in the back, adjustable straps, and then they have these like small hairs on the back. That's actually so that it's supposed to help it not like tangle as much at the nape. So let's get her on and see what we're talking about. Oh, hey. I love the wig. It is a little bit of a harder lace, just keep that in mind. The wig cap is comfortable. I wouldn't say that it's large. She's got that I've been sitting in a warehouse smell, which is fine. She's about, I'm 6'4", or I'm 6'4". I'm 6'4". I'm 5'6.5", and she only goes to like my middle chest, so I'd say this is maybe at the very longest 17 inches. I like the length. I really like this wig so far. I just think it's a little yellow for me. This is all the hair to the front. Density is very nice. I think when she's combed out, I don't think she's gonna get super tangly. Yeah, I would probably, well, let me get her together, but I already know what I think, so, okay. Took a whole like 30 seconds to get together. I really love this wig. It's super comfortable. The parting space ended up being really nice. I just laid this down just a little bit, and I put a little dry shampoo in more just for the smell, and then a little hairspray just so that it's not like a flyaway situation. So let's look at her from the back. Oh yeah, that's a super nice density. Yeah, she's about 18 inches. Good movement. I think I'm gonna tone her though. So far, I'm really liking it. Super comfortable. I think it would be natural $14. Like, this is crazy. I almost want to get a couple more colors for $14 because I like, this is kind of like an everyday wig, a quick wig situation. So there you go. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thank you so much. And if you have any other wigs from this line, or you want to see any other wigs from this line, please put it down below. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.